Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick get ready with me for Diwali, and we'll start with our makeup. I've already moisturized my face using Cetaphil moisturizer, which I love. So let's start. Okay, so after moisturizing my face, the first thing that I'm going to use is this Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick, and I just recently bought it. I'm going to use it for the first time. Let's see how it goes. So I generally don't use a foundation. I actually use a CC cream, Acne CC cream. I love it, but this is the first time I bought a foundation actually, so I'm going to use it. And I think it's done. Okay. So the next thing that I'm going to use is concealer. Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love it. As you guys know, I'm blind without my specs. So I'm mirror here and I will look at it from the future. Okay, so now we're going to quickly move on to my eyebrows. Eyebrow definer from Sugar. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to use is my eyeshadow. It's a red and white palette. I'm not a big fan of using eyeshadows since I wear specs and I hardly use eyeshadows. I only use liner, which I love. But today, since we're getting ready for Diwali, I'm going to use it. Which shade should I use? So I'm going to use this shade right here. So the next thing that I love doing is using eyeliner. I'm going to use my Maybelline eyeliner. I use the same liner pencil as my kajal as well. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. Okay, so the next thing is my favorite thing, blush. I'm using this Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick for this. It gives a little bit of shimmer as well. I'll also use a highlighter. Don't worry. I'm going to use Lakme 925 Rose Touch. On top of it, I'm going to use this Maybelline Copper Spark. This is a metallic kind of shade, range of Maybelline, long hair back. So I bought this one from here, Copper Sparks. Now, the last thing that I love doing is getting some shine. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighting powder. And we're done. Now let's get ready. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm actually going to wear this kurti for Diwali, so get ready for some bob pics. Bye.